Let me tell you a story. There's this guy, smart guy, mid-30s, sharp as a blade. He's got a good job, a decent crypto portfolio, maybe even dabbled in some DeFi. But last month he lost everything in his wallet. Every last Satoshi. Gone. You want to know what happened? He clicked on the wrong link. That's it. Just one link. Looked real. Sounded legit. It even had the little green padlock in the browser. One click, and boom. His wallet was emptied faster than you can say yield farming. Look, if you're watching this, chances are you've been around crypto long enough to know the upside. You've seen the charts. You've had some wins. But here's the thing, nobody tells you when you first step into this world. Crypto is a minefield. And if you don't know what you're doing, it's not a question of if you'll step on a landmine, it's when. So let's talk about how to not get blown up. Rule number 1, only invest what you can afford to lose. You've heard it before, but have you really listened? Because it's real easy to go from, I'll just throw in $100 to, maybe I should just dip into my savings. This coin's about to explode. Don't do it. This market will chew you up and spit you out if you overextend yourself. Use pocket money, not rent money. Start small. Recoup your initial investment as fast as possible. Then trade with profit, not your own cash. That one principle could save you thousands, maybe even your sanity. Rule number 2, do a test transaction. Always. Say you're about to send 5,000 in ETH. Before you send the full amount, test it with 5. Why? Because in crypto, if you mess up the wallet address, the money is gone. Forever. No helpline. No chargeback. No second chances. It's like handing cash to a stranger in a mask and hoping they Venmo it back to you. Send a small test. Make sure it lands. Then and only then send the rest. Rule number 3, never share your passwords. No seed phrase. No private key. No screenshots. No just this once with someone who seems helpful. If anyone asks for it, they're a scammer. I don't care if they say they're from customer support. I don't care if their name is Crypto Dave Official Support with a verified check mark tattooed on their forehead. If they ask for your seed phrase, they're trying to rob you. Period. And that goes double on Telegram. Which brings me to the next point. Stay the hell off Telegram. Unless you know exactly what you're doing, Telegram is a scammer's paradise. It's a costume party where everyone looks like support, but half the room wants to rob you blind. They'll DM you. They'll offer to help. They'll even pretend to be someone you trust. And the moment you click that link they send you, they've got access to your wallet and your funds are toast. If someone messages you first, block them. If they ask for anything, even a question that seems harmless, block them. Trust me, it's not worth the risk. Here's another trick. Watch the URL. Scammers are clever. They'll build entire fake websites that look exactly like Binance or MetaMask or whatever you're using. Instead of Binance.com, it might be Binance.pro or Binance.com. At a glance, you won't notice. Click it, connect your wallet, and boom, your funds vanish. So here's what you do. Bookmark the real websites. Use them every time. Never click a crypto link in an email or message. Type it in yourself or go to your bookmark. Speaking of emails, don't trust them either. Just because it looks like it came from Coinbase doesn't mean it did. Scammers spoof email addresses all the time. If an email tells you to click a link to secure your account, don't. Go to the website yourself. Log in. If there's something you need to do, it'll be waiting for you there. And if not, well, congratulations. You just avoided getting fished like a rookie. Now listen, I'm not telling you all this to scare you. I'm telling you because crypto is a battlefield. And if you're going to walk into that battlefield with a blindfold on, someone's going to take your money. But if you pay attention, if you stay sharp, if you play smart instead of fast, you can win big. So here's what you do next. Click the link in the description. I'll show you how to trade smart, stay safe, and navigate this market like a pro. You've already come this far. Don't stop now.